Animation. Animations can be used in PowerPoint to make a presentation more interesting. They help in giving a moving effect to text and other objects on a slide. To apply animation to text or objects, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the image or the text you would like to animate. Step 2. To select a whole text box, click on the border of the text box. Step 3. Click on the Animations tab. Step 4. You can either open the animation pane or use the drop-down list. Step 5. Select the animation effect you would like. There are entrances, exits, emphasis, and paths. Step 6. Specify whether you want your animation to start on click, after previous, or with previous from the timing group of the Animations tab. After previous option is used to start animation of the selected object when animation effect of previous object is complete. With previous option is used to start animation of the selected object simultaneously with the animation of the previous object. Step 7. You can preview the effect of animation by selecting Preview command from Animations tab or Play button in Animation pane. Reordering the animations. To reorder animation of different objects, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the number of the effect you want to change. Step 2. From the Animations tab, click on the Move Earlier or Move Later commands to change the ordering.